Now, as the new era has ushered in AIADMK and Tamil Nadu politics, you have the MGR, who's the AIADMK founder's birth anniversary today, and it's a fight for legacy. It doesn't get more intense than this. On your screen, supporters already gathering to celebrate MGR's birth centenary. A statue is set to be unveiled also by Sasikala, who's the new General Secretary of AIADMK. But on the other side of your screen, you can see Jayalalitha's niece and supporters gathering for her to step into politics today. A group of AIADMK cadre began the birth centenary celebrations of party founder and former Chief Minister MGR by announcing free rides for passengers on a private town bus as well. So free rides being announced. It's a public holiday in Tamil Nadu today. But it's the Jaya's niece, Deepa Jayakumar's supporters who will be upping the chorus for ensuring that she steps into the political domain, a direct challenge to Sasikala, who's now the General Secretary of the AIADMK. Let me go across to my colleague Akshaya Nath right away. Akshaya, first take us to the celebrations that are planned across the state, and it's not just the centenary celebration for birth anniversary for MGR, but also it is a claim to legacy by Sasikala to ensure that she cements her position known as MGR's political heir from now on.
Well, Davina, it's a well-known fact that for some time and again after MGR's death, it's always saying that his name, his image is something that the AIADMK has always been working on. Even when Jayalalitha was there, it was MGR's name that she had always used, as a stepping stone. And right now it is seen that Sasikala is just doing the same. She's identified that of late there's a lot of setback that she is being seen after becoming the Chief General Secretary of the party. So it is seen that at this time, MGR is one figure which is always related to the people of Tamil Nadu who still revere him with a lot of respect. And that is one reason why Sasikala has been doing it. And at this juncture, it is also seen that there are a lot of other people who are claiming stake of the position in the party. In fact, it was seen that Deepa Jayakumar also went to different places today and was also paying tribute to MGR, a step which was seen as a stepping stone for her into a political career, trying to milk on the fact that she's Jayalalitha's niece and also that she has a lot of respect for MGR. So it is seen that as a political ball game that is being played by all the latest participants in the AIADMK webinar.
Right, but we're also expecting protests at Marina Beach today, Akshaya, and this comes in as the other faction, that is Jayalalitha's niece, Deepa Jayakumar, who is going to step into the political domain. Now, Sasikala has asked her party men to ensure enemies do not exploit the crisis that is on play. She said that she has defeated the enemies and there is no denying whom she's referring to. But how's Deepa Jayakumar's political elevation be planned out today?
Well, the winner is seeing that Sasikala has been trying to make it a point that a lot of step is being taken for gaining her political ambitions, and it is seen that she has been telling party cadres, she has been writing to party cadres and also senior bureaucrats in the country about how after J. Jayalalitha, it is her in the party who will be taking the party forward. But it is also needs to be seen that it is not just Sasikala who has been, a very important participant. In fact, it was seen that Natarajan, Sasikala's husband, has also come out vocally saying that it was their family who was taking care of Jayalalitha as well as, being a very big support for her throughout the political journey. And that is something that needs to be seen right now.
All right, the centenary celebrations well underway. Akshaya, thanks for joining us, and we'll connect with you through the day as well. Moving on to the other big story we're tracking this morning.